Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are watching the 2019 musical fantasy film and which we are watching Cats. Victoria, who is a young white cat, is left abandoned by her owner in the streets of London in the middle of the night. The alley cats witnessing this introduce themselves to her as Jellicles. Mr. Mistopheles, Manuscript, Cassandra, and Demeter takes Victoria under their wing and show her the world of the Jellicles. As they prepare for the Jellicle Ball, an annual ceremony where cats must compete to be chosen to go to the Heaviside Layer and be granted a new life. Most of the Jellicle Ball competitors are introduced and sing about themselves. Jenny anecdotes a domestic Debbie who sleeps during the day and by night boosts the productivity of mice and roaches. Grisabella returns to the Egyptian theater. Victoria vouches for her and urges her to sing her true feelings. Grisabella sings a passionate ballad about her mistakes, her former glory, and her beauty, sentiments that touch the hearts of Jellicles. Old Deuteronomy names Grisabella the Jellicle Choice and sends her off to the Heaviside Layer in the chandelier. Macavity, in one last attempt to reach Heaviside Layer, leaps onto the rope of the chandelier but falls onto Nelson's column. The Jellicles reunited with their kidnapped best friend and, perched on a lion statue, watch Grisabella ascend as the morning sun appears above the horizon. After the congregation disperses, Old Deuteronomy welcomes Victoria to the tribe.
Every time the deed took place, Macavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are wisely